Okay, so today we will be talking about general mathematics, particularly rational equations, solving rational equations. So, pinaka-goal kasi natin to solve a rational equations like this is to eliminate the denominators. So, ano talaga? Eliminate fraction. Baga, denominator, tatanggal siya, numerator na lang. Okay? So, yun, para, simplified siya, baga magiging parang quadratic na lang siya. Then, madali na lang siya may isolve. Kasi, di ba, sinabi nating rational function, di ba, composed of, it is a division of two polynomials. So, ayan, pag na-eliminate mo na yung polynomial sa ibaba, edi yung sa itaas na lang ng polynomial meron ka. Di ba? And then, and so, possible yung madalas dyan is quadratic, minsan linear. So, mas okay kapag linear kasi madali na lang siya kunin. Unlike kapag quadratic, especially kapag hindi siya factorable. So, we have to use quadratic formula for completing the square. Ayan, to solve for the roots or yung x. Okay. So, rewrite muna natin to. Oops, sorry. Ayan, rewrite muna natin 1 over x minus x plus x over x minus 2. And that is equal to 4 over, okay. Tingnan muna natin to. Itong x squared minus 8x plus 12. Okay, kapag finactor natin yan, that is, okay, if you still remember factoring. So, isip ka ng two numbers na kapag pinag-multiply mo will give you 12, positive 12 to be exact. Pag pinag-add mo naman, okay, you will get negative 8. And what are those numbers? These numbers are negative 6 and negative 2. Diba? So, pagka not always the case ganyan, pero tignan nyo na lang muna yung sa kabilang side ng equation niya kung yung factors na yun ba is factor din ito. Yung, yung expression na nandun, linear expression, is a factor ng quadratic na part. Okay? So, that is x minus 6, x minus 2. Kasi, 6 times, negative 6 times negative 2, that is positive 12, and negative 6 plus minus 2, or negative 6 minus 2, simply, that is negative 8x, right? Negative 8. Or, if you're still in doubt, so, pwede natin siyang i-foil. X times x squared, then x times negative 2, that is negative 2x, and negative 6 times x, that is negative 6x, negative 6 times negative 2, that is positive 12 lang, sorry. Sobra. It's just 12. Simple constant. Okay, so simplifying, x squared minus negative 2 minus 6, that is negative 8x plus 12. And take note, yan. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nating i-write to as factors. I-breakdown natin siya. So, x minus 6 times x minus 2. Okay? So, ayan. So, dito na papasok yung i-eliminate natin yung denominators. But how? How are we gonna do that? So, ganito lang yan. Okay, multiply lang natin both sides to LCD. Since ito may x minus 6, ito may x minus 2, ito parehas yung meron, x minus 6 times x minus 2. So, ayun yung gagamitin nating multiplier. Okay, so, change color. Ayan, so multiply natin both sides. By, dito ko na lang siya ilagay. So, dapat dito kasi may equal sign. Anyway, para ma-clear yung equal sign, ayusin natin. Yan. Okay. So, multiply tayo both sides by x minus 6, x minus 2. Okay, so, baga, distribute natin siya. Baga, dapat meron din yan dito. X minus 6, x minus 2. Kasi magkabilang side ng equation niya. Ito, multiply mo rito. Ito, multiply mo rito. So, x minus 6 times x minus 2 times 1 over x minus 6. Ibig sabihin, ma-cancel sa x minus 6. And matitira is x minus 2 na lang. Sa times mo kay 1, still x minus 2. Plus, x minus 6 times x minus 2 plus x over x minus 2. Ma-cancel sa x minus 2, which will only give you x minus 6 times x. Or, ganito siya isusulat, x times x minus 6. And lastly, ito, take note that ito lang yan. Ibig sabihin, as something divided by itself, that is just 1. So, 4 na lang. Right? So, ayan, papansin mo, magkabubuo tayo ng quadratic equation. So, x minus 2 plus x times x, that is x squared, x minus negative 6, that is negative 6x, is equal to 4. Now, combining like terms, so x squared, negative 6x plus x, that is minus 5x, and negative 2, lipat na si 4, or maging minus 2, that is negative 6. That is equal to 0. Now, ito pwede pa nating ma-factor din yan. Right? So, pwede nating i-factor yan. So, again, paano tayo mag-factor? Dito sa last term, okay, isip lang tayo kung ano yung factors niya. That is, kapag pinag-multiply mo, it will give you negative 6. And kapag pinag-add mo, it will give you negative 5. So, what are those numbers? Negative 6 and positive 1, right? So, negative 6 times 1, that is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 1, that is negative 5. Then, may extra. So, ayan. And that is equal to 0. Then, by 0 property, okay, paano ba tayo makakuha ng product na 0? That is, if one of the factors is 0 or both of them. Diba? Ibig sabihin, we can equate this as x plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. And hence, x is equal to negative 1 and 6. X is equal to positive 6. And, ano ba talaga yung solution? No, I think may mababawas pa dyan. Okay, kaya always check for the answer. So, isa lang magiging real solution dyan. Bakit? Tingnan natin. Again, sa answer, yung answer natin as of now is x is equal to negative 1 and positive 6. Okay, we'll see sa checking part. Kaya always check your answer talaga by substituting the values. So for checking, let's start first with x is equal to negative 1. Check muna natin, substituting the values, 1 over, direct substitution na natin, 1 over negative 1 minus 6, yeah, plus negative 1 for x over negative 1 minus 2, that is equal to, pwede natin gamitin yung factor dito. Again, yung ginagawa ko sa ganito. So, pwede natin gamitin siya. Okay, so ano ulit yun? X minus 6, x minus 2. So, parehas lang din dito. Negative 1 minus 6, negative 1 minus 2. Okay, so 1 over negative 1 minus 6, that is negative 7, plus negative 1 over negative 1 minus 2, that is negative 3, and equal to negative 7 times negative 3 lang yan. Direct. Di ba? So, ito, negative 1 minus 6, ito yan. Then, times natin sa negative 1 minus 2. So, multiply lang natin to. 7 times 3, that's 21. Negative times negative, that's positive. Now, prove natin that negative 1/7 plus, by the way, magiging positive na rin to. So, negative divided by negative is positive. Yeah? So, negative 1/7 plus a third. So, paano natin i-work out yan? Ito yung ginagawa ko rin dyan. Multiply natin sa 7, itong, 1 over negative 7 by 3 over 3. And ito namang 1/3, multiply natin by 7 over 7. Kasi again, if you're multiplying a number divided by itself, you're just multiplying by 1. So, ayan, 3 times 1, that is 3. 7 times 3, may negative, so negative 21. Yeah, plus, and 7 times 1, that is 7. 7 times 3, that is 21. And that is equal to 4 over 21. Is this true? 7 minus 3, or negative 3 plus 7, that is positive 4 over 21. And that is equal to 4 over 21. And hence, x minus 1, x is equal to negative 1 is true. What about x is equal to positive 6? Can this be true? I don't think so. Check natin. Okay, another checking is for x is equal to positive 6. Okay, direct substitution, 1 over x minus 6, means 6 minus 6, plus 6 over 6 minus 2 is equal to, ulit, x is equal to 6, and this is 6 over 6 minus 2. That is equal to, again, factor lang din natin, tulad kanina, 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 2. So, okay, so dito pa lang, dito na yung mali. 1 over 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Can you divide by 0? Of course, no. That is undefined. Diyan pa lang mali na. X na. Undefined. Okay? Pag sinabi nating number divided by 0, that is undefined. Okay? Ayan. Pero pag 0 divided by any number, of course, that is 0. Okay? Huwag malilito. Okay? You can't divide by 0. Ibig sabihin, you can't have 0 on the denominator. Kaya, kung papansin nyo, halos lahat kapag may fraction tayo, always nire-restrict yung denominator. Okay? Not equal to 0. Pwedeng negative, pwedeng positive numbers, basta hindi siya 0. Kasi magiging undefined yung function. Try mo i-input yan sa cycle. Will give you syntax error maybe, or math error, something related. So, ganyan. Diyan pa lang mali na. Pero try natin ituloy. Okay? Basta dyan palang mali na. Kaya, may tawag tayo dyan. Okay? Tuloy muna natin. 6. Then 6 minus 2, that's 4. And 4 over 0 times 4. Ma-divide mo ba ito? 4 divided by 0? Pwede, pero magiging undefined din siya. As long as, hindi ka nagde-divide, okay, by 0. So, ito pwede ito. 4 divided by 4. Simplify natin. 1 over 0 plus 6 over 4. That is equal to 1 over 0. Dito pala. 1 over 0 plus 6 over 4. Is it equal to 1 over 0? Diba? At ano yan? Additive identity. You familiar with that? Pag sinabi nating additive identity, that is 0. 0 is an additive identity. Kasi, any number added by 0 equals the number. Diba? So, if ito is a number, then in-add mo siya sa 0, that is equal to the number. Now, is 6 over 4 or 3 halves equal to 0? Of course, hindi. Kaya, ayan, dyan pa lang, false na yung statement. Kaya may tawag tayo dyan na yung solution na parang true kasi nakuha mo siya, okay, parang walang problema. Diba? Pero, nung in-apply mo na ng checking, nagka-problema. Okay? Hindi sila nag-equal. X yan. That is what we call extraneous root. Okay? Extraneous root. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, yung solution niya lang ay x is equal to negative 1. Hindi kasama si x is equal to 6. X yan. Hindi siya kasama. Kasi it will make the function, or the function, particularly, or equation, the rational equation, undefined. So, ayun. Hope you learned something.